What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Got a new unboxing video for you here today. I'm pretty excited because I haven't filmed one of these in quite a while, but I do have a new RC car project that I'm working on. So without further ado, I present to you the YD-2S Plus kit from Yokomo. This is their limited edition kit that comes with the V4 gyro included in the box. So let's get this drift missile unboxed. Hey guys, got a new merch store available with some hats, shirts, and other accessories. So if you want to pick up some cool swag and support the channel, go ahead and click that link in the description below. Alright, well, like I said, we're unboxing the YD-2S Plus kit here. This is the one that comes with the V4 gyro, and it is the red version. So I'm assuming that means it's got the red variant of the gyro in there as opposed to the black or the purple, which red goes good. I like red, so not a problem there. Nothing too fancy on the box, just got a picture on the front of what the S Plus is. Just standard stuff on the back, and then, you know, it says it's the red version on the side, so might as well get in here and open her up. You got the GoPro on my head, so might get some alternating footage there. If I don't use the GoPro, I'm just gonna look silly in this one having the GoPro strapped to my head, but who cares? Not me. Anyways, right off the bat, open it up. You do get the V4 gyro right in the top bag here, and it is the red one. This camera's gonna focus on my face the whole time. But that is the red gyro here, as well as you do have like the red shock parts and stuff. So you got some red themed stuff going throughout the build. Some of the aluminum stuff in here is all red. So that's gonna be pretty cool. But let's start taking these bags out, seeing what we get. Been a while since I built a Yokomo kit. I think the last one I did was one of their off-road buggies, but they do label all their bags with numbers on them, so that should follow along pretty well in the manual. But you got your shock bag here, and one of the big upgrades going to the S Plus is the shocks, so that's one of the reasons I did go with this kit. This does have the big bore shocks in it, which you build one of the regular kits. I was told by a lot of the local guys at Tandem that you're going to end up upgrading to the big bore shocks anyway, so might as well just do it right the first time. It does have all the red anodized parts in there. You do have the V4 gyro in red. Take my face out of the way, it'll focus on it, but you do get the V4 gyro there in red, so that is the good gyro. Some of the other kits that come with the gyro come with the base model gyro, which you'd probably end up upgrading to the V4 anyway, so it's nice that this limited edition kit here comes with it right out of the box. Looks like you do have an aluminum front shock tower with a carbon rear shock tower, with some red standoffs there. There's your spur gear with the hub adapter in red, with the gearbox and all the bearings. It looks like it does come with a pinion gear, so it's got a 20 tooth pinion gear in there. Which is cool, so we'll have to check the manual when we go through all that, but if that's the right gear for the motor I'm going to run, it comes in the kit, which is nice. Another bag here. Got your various servo horns, looks to be your axle carriers with your rear CVD axles and your bearings, and then some other parts here. Looks like some front steering parts with some rod ends and stuff, turnbuckles. You do have your diff, which actually looks pretty pre-assembled. So bag 3's got the diff in it. There is fluid in there, as well as a mostly assembled diff from the looks of it. And then you got some more rod ends here with some turnbuckles, some other various parts there. Bag 1, where we're probably going to be starting, you've got your side rails for the chassis, which can be, from what I'm told anyway, if you want to take some stiffness out of the chassis, add some flex to it, you can run without those. I'm just going to build this kit setup and go from there, because that's how I do. If you've seen any of my other videos on all the other cars I run, I always run box setup first. Another bag of bags. Let's see, we've got your front bumper, little foam front bumper piece, a little bag of your various tools that you always get with the kit, some multi-tools. It looks like a nice little turnbuckle wrench, so that's actually cool. Most cars and most tool kits that come with them don't include a little turnbuckle wrench there, so that's kind of nice that they threw that in there. You got some A-arms, you've got some zip ties, double-sided tape, looks like your antenna tube, looks like some shock oil here, which is 300 and 200 CST. And then bag 11 looks like a rear diffuser with some body posts and some various parts in there. And then the goodness on the bottom, which they always come on the bottom when you unbox stuff, but you got your chassis plate here. And this one is full carbon fiber. I will probably do my treatment around the edges with the super glue, which I think I have a video that I've done in the past on prepping carbon fiber pieces, but I will prep all these. That makes sure they're good to go and they're not going to split the layers or anything. I will leave a link to that video down in the description below, but that's a nice solid piece of carbon for your chassis there. And then instruction manual. So Yokomo, probably all in Japanese. I haven't done a Yokomo in a while, but let's see, we've got sticker sheet hidden in there with, looks like some part number sheet for all the parts. And then, let's see how well these are gonna, pretty easy to follow along. Mostly gonna be doing pictures or using Google Translate because I don't read Japanese. But should be pretty straightforward build. So I do plan on doing a build series for this, so hit that subscribe button, follow along for that. And then later, after we get towards the end of this being built, I will kind of do a reveal on what equipment I will be running in it. So definitely hit that subscribe button, hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. Kind of just showing you everything that comes in the box on this YD-2S Plus kit, which was the limited edition that came with the V4 gyro. So we got the good gyro right out of the box, which will be very nice. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Probably not with a GoPro stuck to my head, but we'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching. See you next time.